A Tesla Cybertruck owner had his pickup machine polished by hand. The final product features a mirror-like finish that stands out even more than a stock Cybertruck. Polishing stainless steel isn't a simple, quick, or easy process. It requires hours of tedious detailing work with specialized tools at the hands of professionals. A Missouri-based team of 4 detailers transformed the pickup truck into a fantastic beast that will most likely catch anyone's eye. The crew of 4 people sits almost completely still, only their arms moving gently as they buff the stainless steel Cybertruck skin. They worked together for 25 hours to make this EV look like a moving mirror. Simply masking off the truck's plastic and lighting features appears like a tedious job. And surprisingly, several people thought that this was a wrap, not a real finish. That's understandable given that wraps can provide a similar finish.